pretty girl. Oh, you're so pretty. No, you can't do that because then nobody can see how pretty you are. You're so pretty girl. Little Miss Nina, come here. Come here. Did you find your food? Yes, ma'am. Did you find your food? Nina, come here. Oh, Amir, you just want to be petted. But that's not a very good angle. Meow, meow. You're going to be a Velcro kitty, aren't you? You are. Aww. You're a happy girl, aren't you? Yes, you are. Say hi. Say, adopt me. Adopt me. I need a home. Adopt me. I need a home. Come here, baby girl. Come here, baby girl. Oh.